Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In today's video, I'll try to compare the displays of the POCO F3 Redmi K40 versus the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, this is the Realme X2 Pro which I am trying to use, and it is a POCO F3 device, so which is also called as the Redmi K40 model as well, as you can see, friends. So Realme X2 Pro and the POCO F3 Redmi K40. So let's see which display is the best and what are the things you need to know as well. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for this kind of interesting comparison between all of these smartphones. And if you have any other queries in your mind, so make sure to comment below, friends, what are the different testings you want me to do on this particular phone as well. So first, before starting the video, so let me try to quickly go through the basic hardware comparison between both the phones. So the POCO F3 Redmi K40 I have the Super AMOLED and 120Hz. So 90Hz on the Realme X2 Pro device. So Realme X2 Pro has got only 90Hz display, and HDR10 Plus certified, HDR10 Plus certified, 1300 nits brightness, 1000 nits brightness in this Realme X2 Pro. So 90Hz display is a kind of little bit drawback, but apart from that, everything is fine with the Realme X2 Pro device. So now let me try to start playing the video so we know exactly which display will look best as well. I'm trying to start playing the video from the beginning so exactly you can feel the difference, and full brightness I'm trying to use in both the phones. So both the phones have the full maximum brightness at the moment, and both phones looking great. So I cannot find any much complaints about both the phones, as you can see, friends. So do let me in the comments below which display you felt the best as well in terms of the colors and all those things. And even the viewing angles are so great in both phones. As you can see here, and the POCO F3 has got very tiny punch hole, which is very good advantage for this phone overall if you compare with this big notch on this Realme X2 Pro. So that is the one of my complaint. So apart from that, the POCO F3 and the Redmi K40, they do have some kind of unique style which is called the video filters, so which is a very beautiful option, friends, which is really good option, which will be definitely helpful for a lot of users. So where you can choose black and white and all the different colors as well, as you can see here. So whereas in the Realme X2 Pro you don't get that kind of options, so that is another drawback. So maybe in the next Realme UI versions you might be able to get. As you can see, friends, these are the quick review, and for more in detail comparison with other aspects like the PUBG gameplay and other things, speed test, so make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. I'll be doing in-depth comparisons with other smartphones as well. So in case if you are interested, so definitely do let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to cover a video on that particular topic. So this is a small review, friends, and thank you for watching this video. Overall, both phones are kind of great. Let me try to decrease the brightness to 0, and both are really good even in the low brightness level. They're going very pitch dark as well. So thank you, friends, and for watching, and do let me in the comments below which display is the best, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.